Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today I am back with my face, as you can see, and we're gonna open up the brand new Lookfantastic box. Now before we get started with the new Lookfantastic box, I want to remind y'all to enter my giveaway. At 600 subscribers, I'm gonna give away a satchel filled with makeup, and a brand new giveaway will start. And y'all can of course help me out by reaching 600 subscribers by subscribing to my channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. The sooner we reach 600 subscribers, the sooner that satchel and that giveaway will end. I'm gonna ship it out worldwide, boy, girl, doesn't matter. And we can start a brand new giveaway because I will always be hosting giveaways on my channel. I love giveaways. It's kind of a way to say thank you to all. So, you know, that's kind of what I like to do. So like I said, make sure to check out that video. It's one of my older videos. You could look it up in the title. It will say open or closed, and it will say giveaway. And help me out, guys. Help me out by subscribing to my channel. Okay. Back to the box. So we got a light blue box this time. Let's open up. Let's see. What does the cap say? Your smile is sunshine to others. Now, I'm going to place that over here. We got paper, which I'm going to rip to shreds. And then this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so I, again, don't have a freaking booklet, and it just sucks. I don't have a booklet at all this month. So again, no prices. Last month I did have the booklet, but I didn't have the prices in there. And this time I don't even have the booklet. This is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Soft Silicone for a Gentle Exfoliation. This is a silicone exfoliating pad. What the hell happened to my pad? This is what the pad looks like. And I'm going to show you guys. See how dirty that is? Holy cow, like what the hell happened to this thing? I'm not going to keep it for myself because I have way better exfoliants. I'm going to pass this away to somebody. I think I'm going to pass it away to one of you guys. And yeah, I don't have the prices of the items, so this is going to be a short video. Okay, moving on to e-cooking. This is peeling mask. Don't panic if your skin turns red. It means it's working. Okay. This is what that little pot looks like. Clearly not a full size, definitely just a little sample size thing. Yeah, not really much to say about these products when I don't have a freaking booklet. Okay, moving on to Dr. Botanicals. It's the Kiwi Superfood Cooling Eye Serum. Oh, that's pretty cool. This is like cooling stuff is great for summertime. So this is what that box looks like. And now let's open up. Oh. It's actually got like tape covering it. Still better than plastic. Okay, opening up the box. Oh, okay, this is pretty cool. Wow, that serum looks very, okay, I can't say this out loud. Milky. Let's put it that way. It looks, I'm not even going to finish that sentence. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And see what I mean up there? Adult people will understand what I mean. It doesn't really look appealing. Let me just put it that way. But when it comes to cooling stuff, it's great for summertime, like I said, and I'm definitely going to keep this for summertime. I'm really excited to see what it does. Because it is, you know, really, really liquidy. It doesn't feel like a cream. Clearly this is a serum, but still, serum is not that watery, at least not my serum, so I can't wait to try that out. We got 3 more items. We got, what's this? From This Works, Stress Check Kind Hands, Soothing Hand Cream for Dry, Overwashed Hands. I'm going to place this in a bag. Actually, today's Mother's Day, so I'm just going to plop it in the bag for my mom because my mom suffers from really dry hands and feet. So I'm going to pass this along to her. She definitely could use this. So Mom, you're going to get this. Moving on to Hydra Memory Cream Gel. 24 Double Hydration Cream Gel from Comfort Zone, I'm assuming. Comfort Zone. Never heard of them, honestly. This is what it looks like. Clearly not a full size, but a little sample says right there. And the purple actually matches my nails. It's like unbelievable. But hey, can't wait to try it out. Hydration is always great, especially with summertime when we lose a lot of hydration. Let's move on to the last item, which is from Burt's Bees, and it's in the, I wanted to say flavor, but can't really be a flavor, but basically in the scent watermelon. And what I'm going to do with this is actually I'm going to give this to my sister for Mother's Day. I'm just going to go out to my sister for Mother's Day. My mom's going to be there as well. And it's going to be really, really hot today in Holland, so we're going to sit outside, of course. And this is just amazing. So I have 2 more presents for them. Really excited, guys. And that is it. That was this box. Honestly, out of 6 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 6 products, I'm just going to use 3. One I'm going to give away to one of you, one I'm going to give away to my mom, one I'm going to give away to my sister, and then I'm left with the peel mask, the hydration gel cream, and the eye cooling serum, and that is that. I'm going to say not the best box ever. I'm also missing a booklet. I don't have the prices of the items. This just simply sucks. Like, I'm going to say it. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!